I usually watch cartoons with my children. This helps me censor what they watch and also help relay morals and lessons from different cartoon episodes. This actually makes teaching easy and enjoyable too for them. Today I'll be talking about one of them, Miraculous Tales of Ladybug and Cat Noah. Hawkmoth wanted to produce many akumas so as to civilize the world. So he used his assistant Natalie as a catalyst to do this, of which he succeeded. He sent out as many akumas as he desired into the world to civilize as much people as possible. But there was something peculiar about civilization this time. It tends to civilize only the feeble-minded and those that are afraid. But if you show boldness and braveness, it doesn't get into you to civilize you. Lesson of today: fear. Fear only gets to you if you allow it to have a seat in your mind. Uncertainty, fear of the unknown, fear of the future is but only what you feed it with. When we allow fear get a better part of us, it feeds us with so many degrading and negative thoughts that keeps sinking our sense of positivity and greatness down. As humans, it's normal to have bits and bits of fear come into our thoughts, but our ability to oppose and resist those thoughts and rather replace it with boldness and positivity makes us defeat it and get a grip of our boldness and greatness back. This is a daily battle we must fight with our innermost self, with our thoughts. But we have to brace up. Rather, make a positivity a mindset thing so as to overcome such fear. In our world of so many chaos and adversity, it's okay to have such thoughts coming to you, but be fast enough to replace them with positive thoughts, with thoughts of better days ahead, with thoughts of better things ahead. We must as well have a mindset reset. Your ability to reset your mindset promptly and as fast as possible helps you to stay over fear. Fear is not what it is. It is just, or it doesn't exist. But if you allow it to build such walls around you, then it exists in your mind. But truth be, it doesn't exist. So do not allow something that is non-existent to come into you and build a tent in you. You have to stay woke, be positive, stay happy always. Thank you. Until I come your way next time, stay blessed, stay happy, create fun in your corner. This is me signing out. Jimmy's Corner. Bye.